Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Ross Minchev's Commission Jumpstart. Okay, so you're on this page right now, or maybe you're even on his presentation, his webinar, and you're learning about his $300 to $700 per day method, where he uses affiliate marketing and Facebook basically to generate commissions. Okay, so I'm going to review Commission Jumpstart, and by the end of this review, you can decide whether or not you want to invest into Ross Minchev's Commission Jumpstart, or maybe there might be another program or another method that you can use to start making money today online. All right, so Ross is a very experienced marketer. He's big on YouTube. He's been involved in a lot of different programs, and this is one of his latest programs at the time of recording this video. And essentially, in a nutshell, Commission Jumpstart is him teaching you how to sell affiliate products on ClickBank, which is a very big marketplace, specifically using Facebook ads. Okay, so that's pretty much the program in a nutshell, right? So he's going to teach you how to sell other people's products in different niches using Facebook ads specifically. All right. So let's talk a little bit about what's actually inside the program, the refund policy, all that stuff, and then you can decide whether or not you want to invest in the program. Okay. So first of all, Ross starts by introducing you his $1,000 per day method. All right, so how do you get to about $30,000 per month, right? He teaches you how to build highly converting landing pages. And the interesting thing about this program is he teaches you how to make quiz landing pages, quiz funnels, okay? And that's a really cool way to attract people into your sales process. A lot of people don't use quiz funnels, but quiz funnels is a very ninja way of really getting a lot of people into your process. And then basically tailoring the offer for them based on the questions that they answer on the landing page that you create. So it's a very cool method, and Ross is going to teach you that, right? He also shows you how to find profitable ClickBank offers, because that's important. If you're not selling the right offer to the right audience, then you're not going to generate any commissions. Then he's got a whole section on Facebook ads, right? Because this entire training really is about Facebook ads, all right? So if you don't understand Facebook ads, if you don't know how to set it up, if you don't understand retargeting pixels, if you don't understand, the ROI, ROAS, the ROAS, and all that stuff, you're not going to do well with this strategy, okay? You're also going to learn how to scale your campaigns, and he also touches a little bit on some organic traffic strategies as well, all right? So how much is Commission Jumpstart going to cost? It's a actually very affordable program. It's only $297, right? And that's the great thing about this program is it's not expensive, all right? So a lot of other programs out there of this caliber will cost at least $1,000 to $2,000. So with Commission Jumpstart, you are getting value for your money, all right? And that's really important. They've got quite a complicated refund policy, so don't even bother about the refund. If you're looking for a refund, you're going to have to return, all the digital products, and you have to watch a certain amount of the program as well in order for you to get that refund. So not the easiest refund policy, but I would say that, look, if you're going to get into something like this, don't really look at the refund. It's affordable, the training is good. And if you want to learn how to, do basically affiliate marketing using paid ads, which is Facebook, specifically Facebook, then this is a pretty cool course that's going to teach you how to do that. So a couple of caveats, okay? So this is just my feedback. I've been around marketing for 13 plus years. Here's what I see that could be a potential issue with Commission Jumpstart, right? So I like that it's cheap, that it's affordable, and that he's teaching you paid ads, which is good, right? But on the flip side, the problem is that Facebook, unfortunately, doesn't like affiliate marketers, right? And this is true all over the world, okay? And Facebook always shuts down affiliate marketers' accounts. Even if you are running ads through quiz funnels, quiz landing pages, Facebook, for whatever reason, they're very touchy, their algorithm, okay? So you might be running ads one day and it might be fine, and then tomorrow they might shut down your ads because they think that you basically didn't set up your ads in the right way, and you could lose your entire ad account. And if you lose your entire ad account because this entire strategy is built on Facebook, basically your whole business is gone, right? And so that's happened to me many times. I've had my Facebook account shut down more than 5, 6, 7 times. I've paid very expensive agencies in the UK to run all my stuff, and they still had problems. So this is a global thing, all right? Just understand that Facebook is a very difficult beast to master, and they're very expensive. So two things here. Number one, you might have your Facebook account shut down, and it happens to a lot of people. It's happened to thousands of people all over the world. The second thing is you need a budget because this is paid ads, all right? So if you don't have at least a few $1,000s a month to spend on Facebook ads, this strategy is not going to work for you, okay? Because you have to spend ad dollars in order to drive this particular strategy. I hope that makes sense, all right? But if you can do that, if you've got the budget for it, and you don't mind, dealing with Facebook, because the chances of your account getting shut down is very, very high, then this is a good program to teach you how to sort of navigate that, minefield, which is paid advertising and Facebook. And you can check it out because it's not that expensive. All right, so that's kind of my review of Commission Jumpstart. You can check it out if you want. You can just head to commissionjumpstart.com, okay, and you can just click on here. And you can check out Ross's program if that's what interests you. All right. Now, if you're here right now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, Aaron, I'm looking for a way to make money online, right? And I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And the thing with Ross's program, which is really cool, is that he is using affiliate marketing, and that's what I've been using to become very successful online, multiple six-figure businesses. I've helped thousands of students to be successful with affiliate marketing. The only thing with my method is it's slightly different. I don't really use paid ads. Okay, I like to go the organic method for a few reasons. Number one, paid ads is very, very difficult to get good at. Number two, most people don't have the budget to do paid advertising because you need thousands of dollars every month for an extended period of time so that you can test what works and what doesn't. And most people just don't have the budget to do that, okay? And number three, paid ads is very unforgiving. So if your sales funnel is not organized to the T, you will never get into profit with paid ads, which is why most people fail with paid ads, which is why I like the organic approach, all right? But in order for you to do the organic approach, you need to do affiliate marketing, selling other people's digital products in a very specific way. So if you're interested, I'd like to show you my strategy on how to do affiliate marketing in a very specific way using organic traffic, how to magnetize people towards you. And you can do this on a shoestring budget. You really don't need that much money, especially if you're someone who doesn't have a huge budget, right? You don't have, thousands of dollars to spend on your affiliate business, but you're still interested in this strategy. I would love to teach you how to do that. Okay, so I've got a free six-figure affiliate marketing training. It's a workshop that's going to take you through exactly how I do it. You can just register for it by clicking the link directly below this video, or click on the arrow on the right hand side on the next page, register for that workshop, and I hope to see you there, and I hope to show you exactly how to become very profitable with affiliate marketing, build a multiple six-figure business from the comfort of your home if you'd like to do that. And I hope you enjoyed this review of Commission Jumpstart by Ross Minchev, and I hope to see you on the workshop. Take care.